Most people get this wrong when looking at Successware pricing. They see the monthly cost and immediately decide whether it's expensive or affordable. But here's the truth no one tells you. The real question is not how much Successware costs. The real question is whether the software generates enough efficiency and revenue to justify that cost. In this video, I'll break down Successware pricing in 2026, explain what you typically get for your money, and help you decide whether it's actually worth it for your HVAC, plumbing, electrical, or service business. Let's get straight to the answer. Successware is generally positioned as a premium field service management platform. Unlike some entry-level tools designed for solo operators, Successware focuses on established service companies that need scheduling, dispatching, customer management, invoicing, reporting, and business analytics in one system. Because of that, pricing is often customized based on factors like company size, number of users, implementation requirements, and optional features. This means you may not always find a simple public pricing page with one fixed number for every business. But here's the problem. Many business owners stop their research right there and assume customized pricing automatically means the software is too expensive. That's not necessarily true. For example, imagine John runs an HVAC company with 15 technicians. If better scheduling saves just one service call per technician every week, the additional revenue could easily outweigh the software costs. That's why evaluating return on investment is often more important than focusing only on the subscription fee. Now here's where it gets interesting. Successware's value is usually strongest for businesses that need advanced reporting and operational visibility. If you're tracking technician performance, service agreements, recurring maintenance plans, and business profitability, those tools can help identify opportunities that basic software might miss. This is where most people fail. They compare Successware to entry-level platforms without considering their business stage. A small startup with 2 technicians may not need advanced reporting. A larger company with multiple crews might benefit significantly from it. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to determine whether Successware is worth the investment. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. First, do you struggle with scheduling, dispatching, or job tracking? Second, do you need deeper reporting to understand profitability? Third, is your business actively growing and adding technicians? If you answered yes to most of those questions, Successware may provide meaningful value despite a higher price point. If not, a simpler and lower-cost platform could be a better fit. So here's the bottom line. Successware is not usually the cheapest field service software on the market. However, for growing service businesses that need stronger management tools and detailed reporting, the investment can make sense if it improves efficiency and decision-making. Hopefully this honest pricing breakdown helped you understand what you're really paying for. If it did, hit the like button, subscribe for more software reviews and comparisons, and let me know in the comments whether Successware fits your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.